Good evening, ma'am. Here is a demo video. When we are running the video, it will ask which on which environment we should run it. By clicking it correct environment, it will, and after selecting it, you have to go for next and then finish. And here now it's going for the secure sharing thing. By going on clicking, it will ask for which hospital it is, whether for we are selecting for. We have to get a key for further use. The At the start we can see the key which is unique to all users, and after entering all the details, and we have to submit here. After submitting it to the hospital, we can use the key for further use. Now I'm entering the phone number here, and now after entering and we have to create a password which we want. After confirming it, I'm registering it here, and we can use the above mentioned key for further use. And this is how for KK login. KK, by entering the correct credentials, we can log in. With incorrect credential, by using incorrect credential we can't log in. Only by using current credential we can log in it. After typing current username, and I'm going for the password. After it goes, I'm going for a patient detail form, and then view patient details. These are the previous updated informations. I'm now requesting the file which is to be sent to other file. The request is sent successfully here, and I'm logging out of this hospital, and I'm going into the SS hospital, where we can see the requested file there. Even here we have to enter the current credit. Just like KK login, we are using the same procedure for SS login. For the new user, we have to register here. The register form will appear. The above mentioned key is for the further use, and after entering further details mentioned there and submitting it, we can use the same key for further use. And even here the key is unique to all users here. And so after entering my place and password, and again I'm creating a password here, after confirming it here, I'm registering it, and now I can use the above mentioned key for further use here. Credentials, username and password. We can't go with incorrect credentials. Only with current credentials we can enter into the website. After entering it, I'm going into login the file website, and here it is the notifications. I can see all the previous related. I'm going to see the upload file. I'm going to say which file I'm going to upload. I'm choosing one sample file here. I'm uploading it right now. After uploading it, I'm logging from this hospital, and I'm going to log in into the KK hospital, I guess. By using the same credentials which are used for KK previous, I'm going for the same thing. And I'm logging it now. We can see the downloaded file. the file which we uploaded there. Look, there is a file which we uploaded there, and we can see downloaded, and we should enter the key here. After entering the key, I'm clicking it. Now it's asking for my username and password. After entering my username and password, I enter into it. Now you can see, even by using the database MySQL, I can see I can retrieve the data by selecting the specific query, by entering the specific query. See, by entering my specific query, I can able to retrieve all the data from here, even here. And even here I can download it, and I can click. After clicking it, it goes for the cyber key.
If we enter the corresponding file CSP key and file key, the file will be get downloaded, otherwise it will be back into the home page. This is our project, ma'am. Thank you.